Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN finance, or YFI. YFI is currently at the $197 level with a market cap of about $261 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $27 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So in the last 1 week, we are down 1.8% right here for YFI, and in the last 24 hours, up 1.2%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? And so we are on the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame. Binance is steady to source, right? And so we have been tracking this sort of ascending triangle happening right here for YFI. And one of the things we love to see is prices move from levels to levels to levels to levels, right? And as you can see, YFI has been progressing through our levels. But the thing with triangles is that triangles could break both ways. So we could see the break of the triangle to the upside, and we could see a break to the downside. So it could happen both ways, right? If we break to the upside, that would mean prices closing above 8,200, and for us to see a complete break to the downside, we are going to see prices close below the $7,600 level, right? So if we see that close for the week below this level, the daily close, expect some sort of gobbling down scenario right here for YFI. And if we see a close above the $8,400 level, then expect some sort of a bullish scenario right here for YFI, right? So YFI is in the mix, but something I would like you to quickly understand right here that is very important, right? Another thing is that just looking at our EMAs right now, without our levels, basically you would see that we have lost the bull market EMA, though we have not confirmed it. Remember, we became bullish in October of 2023 when we saw price came above the bull market EMA. The moment we saw prices confirmed above this confirmation EMA, we were seeing expect a massive push to the upside, where we saw the price of YFI had that massive push, right? Currently, as you can see, we lost the bull market EMA, but we have not confirmed. As you can see, we tried to confirm, but as you can see, prices bounced. Currently, what is happening is that we are forming a price structure below the bull market EMA, and usually this is not a good sign. The moment we begin to consolidate, this usually means a breakdown to the downside. So this is something you should be aware of. And another thing we should look at basically is the volume profile. On the volume profile, we are not seeing much buy volumes coming in, so we want to see the bulls getting with more buy volume. As if we don't see much buy volume before the end of the week, this could be more catastrophic right here for YFI, right? And the last but not the least right here for YFI basically is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is forming this sort of shooting star pattern, right? Which means a push to the upside forms a shooting star, and then we see this sort of massive push to the upside. This is a textbook pattern which usually occurs, as you can see, the shooting star candlestick, right? We see an uptrend, we see an upper shadow at least twice as big as the real body. As you can see, small real body, little or no shadow, and then we see a downtrend. This is what we call a shooting star pattern, where the shooting star signals a potential downside reversal, most effective when it forms after 2 or 3 consecutive rising candles. Now in the case for Bitcoin, we are not just having 2, we are having 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So 8, we have formed the shooting star candle, as you can see right here. Shooting star, we usually start with a downtrend, right? So you want to be careful right here. We have formed the shooting star. This could be the beginning of the downtrend. If we see this downtrend for Bitcoin, this could mean that YFI could see that massive downside right here for YFI at the moment, right? So this is something you should be careful of, right? Just make sure you watch this level at the $7,600 level. If we close a book below, then guys, that could be a gobbling down scenario right there for YFI. So that's the update right here on the YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.